Let's learn how to turn off the active status on Facebook and Messenger in this quick and easy guide. Disabling active status allows you to browse and chat on your terms without showing others when you're online. Whether you want to avoid distractions or simply keep your activity private, this tutorial will help you take control. I'm first going to show you how we can disable this in the Facebook Messenger app, and all we have to do is to open the app and make sure you're logged in with your Facebook account. And we will then tap on these 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner of this screen in order to open this side menu. Once this menu opens, find the little gear icon at the top and click on it, and that will open our Facebook Messenger app settings. The activity status should be the 3rd or 4th option from the top, and here it is for me, so let's tap on it, and then disable this switch right here. We'll get a little pop-up message which says that we cannot see when our friends or connections are active, so if you disable your active status in the app, you won't be able to see other people's activity status as well. So you won't be able to check if someone is online or not if you do this. I'm going to turn this off, and now we have to turn off the activity status for Facebook as well. Let's open Facebook, then tap on this menu button at the bottom right. Select the settings, or this gear icon at the top, and then wait until your settings open. Once you get here, scroll all the way down until you see this active status option right here, and then disable this switch if you want to turn off the activity status and hide when you're online in the Facebook app, as well as in Facebook Messenger. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you soon.